Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
The betel trees rotting, I had raised this issue in the last assembly.
U MLA ka Mausaram constituency uba Himalaya M Shangpliang hakajing kendo bat gilat patai kubor hakasingi baar ka arfulai terik unailar arajar arfuar ula keno bakatanat horticulture jeng sarkar Meghalaya kala persyang ban Pynbor yaki Nongrep Kwai bagin pai kmat no syaka kamrep Trun hakajaka ban yarap lem yaki nakajing bam kenyang jonggi dieng Kwai. Halor kani ubah hima Shangpliang ula penpau ya kejing lengok ke bakrau bagatanat horticulture batki officer jengka ki badai ban pej bat ai buit ai jing yarap syaki Nongrep kila persyang penban ban Pynbor ya ki Nongrep Kwai ban pai kmat no syaka kamrep Trun. Shushu ubah hima ula kmi lenti bagatanat horticulture kan pan jing yarap nagi scientist jengka Indian Council of Agricultural Research kenang ban yarap ya ki Nongrep Kwai ki balamat ya kani kejing do nong ke bakrau.
This is related to the rotting of the betel nut trees. The betel nut trees rotting, I had raised this issue in the last assembly, where the minister in charge agriculture had assured that the rotting of the betel nut tree in my constituency particularly and in the state as a whole would be handled, will be taken care of by the department at the earliest possible. I would like to tell you that on the 6th of July 2022, some experts had gone into the border areas of my constituencies like in Saurang areas, and what they have done is they have tried to test by flying a drone and spraying certain pesticides or some insecticides over the trees of the betel nut. Now, this exercise was, according to them, was just a trial. Now, that came only as a trial, and after that, nothing has happened till date. Now, the betel nut trees are rotting day by day. Like I had already mentioned in the last assembly, that there is a disease called bud rot diseases, and the other disease is called the yellow disease. Now, we have a lot of farmers in the plain belts of my constituency who are dependent on the economy out of the betel nut. If they sell betel nut in a particular season, it goes to the tune of lakhs of rupees. Now, if you see the destruction caused by these diseases on these betel nut trees, it is really surprising to see that hundreds and hundreds of trees are just decaying and they're just falling.